Hello Christian family, welcome to our first tutorial episode.
Free knowledge on how to repair your computer. My name's Colma Joshua Lomanat and I'm accompanied with
Achila Joseph Lomanat. Yes, in our school we learn computer repair and maintenance.
Let's go.
First things first, when repairing computers there are 3 steps to follow. The first step is identifying the problem.
The second step is to solve that problem.
The third step is to check whether the problem has been solved. So we have a computer that's malfunctioning and we are going to identify the problem. Joshua, what do you think the problem is?
I have many theories of what the problem can be. It could be the socket which is off, cables that are not connected properly, it could be the power supply and the motherboard.
Let's now go to the computer lab where we are going to check all the 3 theories my colleague Joshua has talked about, and we shall determine which one is the right one and repair the computer. Let's go. So here is our computer lab and I'm going to show you how it looks like.
Here is our power cable and we are going to try our first 2 theories. Either the socket is malfunctioning or the power cable is not connected properly.
As you can see, the first 2 theories are eliminated. The power cable works and the socket also works. So we are going next to the power supply. So this is the power supply and this is the CD-ROM. So let's remove the CD-ROM. And this is the hard drive. So we are removing some cables. And this is the lock. So, and it's already unlocked. So let's now remove the hard drive. As you can see here, we have the power supply, we have the RAMs, we have the CPU and the CPU fan. So our main target is the power supply and we are going to remove. So this, you don't apply force, because if you apply force, you might break it. So as you can see, this is the lock, so if you apply force here, it breaks. So we are now going to remove this cable. So this cable is the one that supplies power to the motherboard. Before we remove this power supply, we are going to remove the screws. So now we are done removing the screws. We can now remove the power supply. As you can see, there's a down lock. There's a lock down there, which is blue. You have to press it down so that you can remove the power supply. So here's the power supply. So we are going to check it out with this one. We are going to change the power supply and see whether the power supply is the problem. So let's fix this power supply. So this is the cable I talked earlier about, the cable that transports power from the power supply to the motherboard. So we are going to sieve it. We are going to connect it and see if the power supply works. So let's connect also this cable back. finished connecting the cables, we are going to check if our theories are correct. Joshua, I think we are set to go. You can now check.
As you can see, the green light shows that power is entering the power supply, and the orange light shows that power is entering the motherboard. So let's check if our computer runs. As you can see, our computer is running. That shows that the power supply was the one not working. Finally, we have seen that our theory 3 was the right one. The power supply was not working. So Joseph, can you tell us what can spoil the power supply?
Personally, I think I have two theories, and it can either be an electric shock or water entering the power supply.
This is the end of our first tutorial episode.
The replacement of a power supply in a spoiled computer. See you soon.
Wait. Before you go, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.